Hi YouTube, this is your president, the presidential terrorist, back with another unboxing video. I picked this up for me. It's kind of like a nostalgic item. Kind of my early Christmas present. NES Classic Edition. It has 30 games that are included. There are some of them. And I'm quite excited about doing this. I had one when I was younger. Unfortunately, I got rid of it like 20 years ago, but it had a short in it. I wish I didn't. Well, it was bigger than this. This is like basically a mini version. But I still have a whole bunch of games, and I plan to eventually get an original. But till then, this one will do. I believe it comes with one controller. You could buy another controller separately if you want to. But just doing a quick unboxing video of this. I got this at Walmart. It was, I think, $59. With taxes, I think, came out to like $64. And my battery's dying, but if it dies, I can always plug you in. Cool. Awesome. It's probably standard directions and all. It's interesting playing with this simple controller. There's some warranty and user agreement. Oh, this brings back some memories. Let's see, I still have actually the old controllers. I have that gun. A lot of these games left. So, what memories? I know that. This has probably, oh yeah, startup instructions and things like that. Won't go too technical into that, but if you have any questions, just let me know. Here's the controller, which will be interesting to use. Geez, this definitely brings back memories. Look at that. Oh my god. Like I said, I still have a few of these around, but they're packed away someplace. So cool. Here's part of the power plug. Here's the system itself. Basically, like I said, a mini version. Too bad they didn't make it a little bit bigger so you can actually not just have the games preloaded in there, but put in some of the old games too. That's okay. Let's have to get an original one time. How cool that looks. That brings back memories. Of course, I'm old enough to have played the Atari. Before this, here's the connecting cables. Probably for... that's not for the power. It probably connects to the TV. Oh, this is, I think this is the power. So quite simple. I mean, there's not really much to it. I mean, basically, there's just these parts. That's it. And I'll put it together, and I don't know, I might give a review on what I think about playing it. Don't know about showing the actual games while I'm playing it on YouTube. I heard Nintendo's a little bit funny about that, so I'd have to look into the legalities about that. But I might give a review on what I think about the selection and everything like that. Discuss that more, but it's a quick unboxing video. Pretty cool, huh? I thank you everyone for watching. Everyone have a nice day. Bye everybody, bye.